Offline music playback is one of the best features of Garmin watches because it enables you to go out and listen to music without taking your phone with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Spotify to your Garmin watch, but before I do, there are a few things that you do need to make sure of first. Now, firstly, you need one of the Garmin models that actually supports music, like this Fenix 6 Sapphire edition. You also need to make sure that you're on one of Spotify's premium accounts because it doesn't work if you have a free account. Thirdly, you need to make sure your watch is connected and paired to a Wi-Fi network. And fourth, make sure you have a pair of Bluetooth earphones handy because you need them paired as well. So to get started, you need to install Spotify on your watch if you haven't already. Open the Connect IQ store, which you'll find in the More tab on your iPhone app, or by tapping the three-line menu on your Android app. Tap Connect IQ store and search for Spotify, and now install it. Now, on your watch, go to Music Controls and scroll, then select Spotify. It'll now ask you to sign into your account with a notification on your phone. Sign in, allow the relevant permissions, and then it should be signed in on your account on your watch. Now all you have to do on your watch is choose playlists, podcasts or albums or other music that you want to download to your watch. Once you've done this, it'll connect directly to your Wi-Fi and sync up the tracks that you've selected. It takes a little while to complete syncing, but once it does, you can go to your Spotify music control and try to play your downloaded music, and now it'll ask you to connect headphones if you haven't already. So put your earphones, like these Power Beats, in pairing mode and connect them once they've been discovered by the watch. As soon as it does connect, it'll start playing the music in your earbuds, and that's it. Your Spotify account is all set up and ready to go next time you head out. To get to Spotify at any time, long press your light button and choose Music Controls. And to control it once it's playing is easy enough too. On the Fenix, for instance, you pause and play by pressing the Start button, or skip forwards by pressing the Down button, or for more options like shuffling and repeating, press the Menu button. If you want to add more music at any time, go into that menu and scroll until you get to Library, and then select the Add Music option. If you found this video useful, please do hit that thumbs up, subscribe and tap the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any more of our videos. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.